Hello everyone. AirTech is back. And today you will learn about the Metaverse. So what is Metaverse? Metaverse is an open source and decentralized virtual world accessible through the web. It combines elements of virtual reality, cryptocurrency, and blockchain technology to create an immersive and interactive experience for its users. The platform was created to provide users with a platform to interact with each other and explore their interests in a 3D virtual environment. The Metaverse is a collective virtual shared space, created by the convergence of virtually enhanced physical reality and physically persistent virtual space, including the sum of all virtual worlds, augmented reality, and the Internet. It is a 3D representation of the real world, allowing users to interact with each other, explore virtual environments, and build virtual objects. The Metaverse is a fully immersive, persistent, and interactive experience that allows users to explore, create, and interact with both the physical and virtual worlds. It is the merging of the physical and virtual worlds, creating an interconnected universe that allows for limitless possibilities. And what's the history behind Metaverse? Metaverse is a term coined to describe an interconnected virtual world, similar to the Internet but with a greater emphasis on user experience, storytelling, and collaboration. It is a shared virtual space where users interact and communicate with one another, explore various 3D environments, and create and share new content. The concept of a metaverse has been around for a long time, appearing in literature as early as 1992 in Neil Stephenson's novel Snow Crash. It wasn't until the early 2000s that technology advanced enough to make a metaverse truly possible, with the advent of virtual reality, improved internet speeds, and the rise of online gaming. The first successful metaverse was Second Life, founded in 2003. This was followed by social gaming platforms like Habbo and Imvu, and more recently, Fortnite, Minecraft, and Roblox. These virtual worlds have revolutionized how people interact, allowing friends and family to spend time together in virtual environments, and even giving rise to virtual economies. The metaverse is still relatively new, but its potential is immense. We can expect to see more metaverse-based gaming, virtual stores, music festivals, and even virtual real estate in the near future. Ultimately, the metaverse could become an integral part of our lives, replacing the need for physical meetings and providing an unprecedented level of entertainment and collaboration. Now, after learning all the important facts about Metaverse, it's time to see how to use it. Using the Metaverse currently requires access to virtual reality VR or augmented reality AR technology. This can be a VR headset, such as Oculus Quest or HTC Vive, or a compatible device such as a smartphone. Some metaverse platforms may also require users to download and install specific software or applications. Once in the metaverse, users can participate in various activities, such as virtual reality gaming, social media, e-commerce, and more. The exact nature of these activities and how they will be experienced will depend on the specific metaverse platform and the technology used to access it. It's important to note that the metaverse is still in its early stages of development and not widely available to the general public yet. As technology continues to advance and more companies and organizations work on developing the metaverse, it's likely that the way it is accessed and experienced will change and evolve. To access the metaverse platform, users first need to create an account. After this, they can start exploring the virtual world and interacting with other users. Users can join communities and groups, create virtual goods, and trade with other users. Metaverse also has its own cryptocurrency, the MBS token, which is used to buy and sell goods on the platform. Using Metaverse is fairly straightforward and can be done in a few easy steps. First, you need to create an account on the Metaverse platform. This can be done on their website and requires you to provide your email address, a username, and a password. Once your account is created, you will be able to access the Metaverse interface. Here, you will find several different features, such as the ability to create and manage digital assets, monitor real-time market data, and exchange assets with other users. To create a digital asset, simply click the Create Asset button in the top right corner and follow the instructions. You will be asked to provide the asset's name, its issuance amount, the price of each asset, and the transaction fee percentage. Once your asset is successfully created, you will be able to manage it from the Assets tab. Here, you can view the asset's trading history, issue new tokens, and transfer tokens to other users. You can also access the Market tab to monitor the latest market data and view current order books. Now, are you excited to use the Metaverse? Please comment down below and let us know your feedback. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to this channel to get new updates about the tech world.